Pour some sugar on me. Yeah. All right, guys. Sugar USD. That's my ticker on Wanda. I do not recall the ticker, the futures ticker, or any ETF ticker for sugar. You're going to have to Google that. The chart should look like this. And look at that mountain, guys. Woohoo! Volatility. 2006 peaked, kept going down, and when 2008 started, went up again, sideways move, and then busted up, and down, up, down. All right, monthly candle chart. Monthly defined. Oh, where's my line? Monthly defined support. Monthly defined resistance. That's my bigger pattern. Look at those highs, man. That's insane. Buy and hold. Never do that, guys. You see almost full retrace even here. Whoop. Retrace almost 90%. Whoop. And now it retraced almost 100% from these lows here. So you never know. Even here, see? Whoop. Full retrace, full 100% retrace. But what caught my attention is that we're starting to get some look at that. Is that a base for action? We have some price action above the 12-month moving average. Is it inclining moving average? No, still declining. 3-month sideways move. Almost, if you guys zoom in. Oh, my lines are crooked. But here. We're maybe trying to close above that small consolidation pattern here, and that would give another thrust upwards. But the month is not over yet. So this, we're starting to have wick. That's price action was up there, but it's starting to go back down. So we're going to have to wait and see if this closes within the range and we continue going sideways or down to retest those previous lows. Or do we close above? And do we have enough thrust and close above this more important pattern? And then after that, I have measure move, please. Measure move right here, all the way. And I like the symmetry of that. All the way to this natural defined support, resistance, and then you get a bigger pattern, and then after that the 12-month average is going to start skewing upwards, and then you get another pattern, breakout line out to that. Where does that bring me? That brings me, oh, I just stole that. That's not fair. It brings me close to that wall, previous support and resistance. And that is pretty sweet, guys. All right. Let's try to see if we could do some stage analysis on this. Ichimoku cloud, defined resistance. Stage 4 downtrend, some sideways action below here, above the 30-week average. Underperforming the SPX. Wow. Okay, so this would have been, you would not play this in the past years. But right now, you see you're starting to outperform the SPX with some periods where you're not, and some periods where the 3-week average is still declining or flat. So that's why you don't have that triple confirmed green zone. What about contracting volume here? Oh. Contracting volume. Sideways move. The Ichimoku cloud dragging that down. Oh, here, increasing volume right here. Right here. Oh. Red arrow. That's new. Okay. So increasing volume. This is not bad, guys. So right now, what I'd like to see, a close above the Ichimoku cloud, above monthly defined, breakout line of that closer pattern, a monthly defined close above that bigger pattern right right here, close above that weakly defined resistance breakout line. See all these 3 levels here. If we get a close above that and on high volume, this would be pretty sweet, guys. This looks like a nice stage 2 working its way. Continue outperforming the SPX. Oh. And what would happen after that? We'd get a breakout. We'd hit that monthly defined resistance, maybe pull back here. So if you miss the breakout here, or you don't trust it yet because you want the 12-month average maybe to start skewing upwards, let it break out, let it hit that monthly defined resistance, let it bounce here, and once it goes back up, you enter here. And by that time, that price action should be enough to have that monthly defined, that monthly 12-month moving average, that price action stays above it, start having skewing flat and upwards, and then you start having that momentum. So you need embryonic breakouts right here at the bottom that you'll never play. Bring the price action up, creating bigger pattern, another breakout there, and maybe on the second or third breakout, that's when you play. Like San says, you don't there's usually a 50% move off the bottom before you enter. Well, that's because you want that price action to start inclining, skewing that 30-week average going upwards, guys. And if I have that declining volume here on that pullback here, this would be pretty sweet entry right here, guys. So Sugar Man, gonna keep it short and sweet, but definitely looking like a stage 2 brewing. And you got these levels here. Check it out and make sure that you have a monthly close above. And this could be the stage, another move up, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks, guys. Ciao.